Hello my friends and welcome back to David Media channel. In the last video we have completed the checkout function, and in this video we're gonna implement the order history page. But before that I want to implement a pop-up to inform the customer that they have ordered successfully. Okay, let's get started. So let's go back to the code editor, and in the modal folder let's create another file, order result model. Let's type RFCE and let's import button model and result from undesign. We also import use navigate from React Router DOM. This model receives some props and we will bring on visible and on cancel from the props, and we define navigate by use navigate, and then I replace it by model. We have title, order result, width is 700, visible is visible, on cancel is on cancel. Footer is no. And let's play result component here. The status would be success, title would be success, fully purchase, products, subtitle, thank you for your order. And then we got the extra. Let's place some button here. The type is primary. The key is console. On click, handle, go back. Then the label would be go to home page. And then we got another parent. The key is close and the label is close. Let's close the tag, and in here we will define handle rollback function. we will navigate to the home page. This one right here, we will navigate. Navigate. Okay. Let's save the file and we go back to the cart page. And in here, we will import order result model from component models, order result model. And we need the state to manage the visible of the model. Use state show result model. The initial state is false. And let's scrolling down to handle payout. After clear the cart, we will set show result model to true. And in the return section, we will render order result model component here. Visible is show result model. On cancel. We will set show result model to false. Let's close the tag and save the file. Let's go back to the web browser. We will order some product. I order these 3 items. And let's modify the quantity. Okay. And the total amount change accordingly. I click on checkout and input my part number. Click on pay. And we got the order result model display. I click on go to home page and then we go back to the home page. And next we're gonna create the order history page to list all of the order of the customer. So let's go back to the code editor and create a new page in container folder, order history. I type RFCE. Let's import page header from undesign. We also import use navigate from React Router DOM. And then let's bring navigate, use navigate let's open the code page. We will copy this and put it here. Then we save the file and open the after.js file. Let's import order history component from container order history. And I scrolling down to the menu section. We create another menu item. The key is order history. Link to order history. And the text is order history. Then in the route section, let's copy the route and we replace it here. The path is order history. Element authentication route is true. Redirect to login page and the component is order history. Let's save it and go back to the web browser. We hover here and click on order history. So I need to change this title here is your order history. And then let's import table component from undesign. And then import moment from moment. Let's install moment package. npm install moment. Oops, not moment. So let's cancel it. npm install moment. And then we import use effect from React. We also import use selector from React Redux and import use orders from action order actions. Let's bring get order history action from use order, and then we point to the order state to get the order history using use selector order history. And we have an use effect get order history. And create a function to render order list. It will return table. We have columns equal columns, and we will define the columns later. And the data source is order history. And then we're gonna define columns. It would be an array. We have title, ID, data index is underscore ID, and the key is ID. Then I will copy this, paste here, paste here. The next column is date. Data index is order date. The key also order date. Align center. And then for render method, we will format the date. We use moment to format the date, and this is the format. Day, then month and year. Return format date. And then we have another column, total amount. Data index and key is total amount. And align is right. And now we will put the render order list function in the return section. We put it in the pay wrapper. And in here is render order list. I save the file and open the web browser. So we got two order here. Okay, what we're gonna do next is when we click on an order, we will see another table nested inside that show the order detail, which are the list of items. I go back to the code editor and define the row key is underscore ID. And we define the expandable properties, which is expanded row render. We will define it here. That will take in record. Okay, in here we will define columns for the nested table. And we will have the product name column, data index is product, key is product render item return item, which is the product name, and the next column, copy this and paste here. So we have column price. I replace it to price and align is right. Let's copy for quantity and amount. So for the price, we put dollar, and also for the amount. And finally, we will return the nested table. We have columns, data source, report, order details. And let's put pagination is false. I format the code and save the file. Let's go back to web browser. So we see the plus icon here, and when I click on the first order, we will see the list of items, which is the order details. And let's open the next order. We also see the list of items here. And when I click on the minus icon, this will collapse. Okay, and now I will create another order. Let's select the category I choose, and I choose orange. I choose kiwis and strawberry. I go to the cart page and update the quantity. It turned to 6, and the amount is an update. Okay, and then I will check on the redux tool. We got update cart item here, and this is the response from the API. The quantity is updated, but the amount is not updated. Let's open the network tab in the inspect, and I will change it here to 6. I update it. In the payload, we have the quantity 6 is correct. Okay, something wrong in the update cart endpoint. So let's open the cart browse and navigate to the update cart item. We have quantity here, and the amount is quantity multiply product price. Okay, we missed the dot here in the amount. So I save it and let's go back to the web browser. And now I'm gonna update to 4 and save it. The amount is updated. Okay, and let's update this item quantity. This one is 3. I save it. Okay, and let's check out. Input the card number. And payout. I'm sorry, it should be 23. Okay, and order successfully. I will go to order history, and this is my order. Yep, we got the order details here. So we have completed the order history page as well as the application. I hope that this tutorial has been of some help to you in building an e-commerce website and that you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and support so far. If you have any question or idea to help me to do better in the next tutorial, don't mind to leave your comment below. I'll really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.